Here I am going to show you how to fill this machine, tank, okay, with the new gas from this bottle. This is the external bottle. I connected the low line up to this device, and from here I connect and made sure that all the connection is very well tight. I open the cylinder, and then I am going to make sure, please, sometime from the factory it comes as closed, so make sure that this line is open as well, okay? And let me show you how to make two ways to make the recovery, either to make it from the maintenance, either to make it from here. So I say recovery, empty the used oil bottle, yes, I say yes, and then I start recovery. I got it being increased 1.4 kilogram, and here 0.46 kilogram. Here I can see my oil passing through all the way from this one, the bottle, to the machine. Okay, I can show you that this one we have flipped it down because it's from filling from the LB side. So I have flipped it down to help the process to go very fast. Here I can have 1.7 or 1.71. Now it's increasing 0.01. Okay, and I can see also my tank pressure is increasing. You know, the tank of this machine can be filled with 13 kilogram, but do not fill it fully, because you know, when you absorb from the car, you should have a space to fill in there. But the minimum should be 4 kilogram. And here you can see that this machine is being filled now 1.9 kilogram. You can see we will wait this one to be filled until 4 kilogram, and then we will start our recovery for this car. I am going to withdraw the gas from this because he said the cooling is a little bit down. I measured the pressure and I found it is lower than the expected value. So what we will do is we will withdraw the gas from in here and then do the full recovery for this machine. So now we are almost 3.4 kilogram. We are filling the machine. This machine works with two type of the gas, so 134A, 1234YF. So if you are working, now we are working in 134A, if you see, and here 134A. So please do not mix the gases together inside the tank. So this tank is 134A. So if you want ever to use with another gas, it's totally different procedure. You have to purge the system and then start to use 1234YF right from the beginning. So it reached 4, I just stop it, and now I have to close this one. Can you please close it? Using the Launch Smart Safe Valo 500 Plus, I am going to recover an Honda HR-V. I searched in Google and found 0.65 kilogram, 650 gram. I have to fill it. He is complaining that a little cooling system is there. I just checked the pressure in here and found that this one is around 75, and in here almost 75. So the system is pressurized normally, all okay, but you know, it might need a little gas. So I do not know how much inside gas and how much inside oil. I googled it and found this much we have to use. So I want to do a full auto mode. So I go inside. He is asking me to empty the used oil bottle here to make sure that this is empty, okay, and in here it is full. So I'm going to empty all the oil inside and put it back. Okay, so now I make enter, and here I have to fill. Do you want flushing? Yes. What is the flushing time? 10 minutes. Vacuum time, I will increase it to 7 minutes. Maybe okay, because you want to do it very fast, we'll make it 5. Okay, a new oil, how much is the new oil? So here manually means whatever inside oil it will take, the machine will measure how much oil inside and it will refill it again with the new oil. So you know, it will withdraw the old oil, okay, here, and it will measure how much oil has gone in here and it will put it from the new oil. So here I will just increase it to 6.5 and say yes. In this case, you know, it will do flushing and recovery from the machine. So now if you see that this tank is increasing 4.4446, why? Because it is withdrawing the AC gas 1, 2, 3, 4 from the car all the way to the machine, okay? And now you will have, he complained that it is low, maybe 0.6 kilogram will be added. So if you see here, it was 4, how much it was? 4 something, yeah. With 6 now it will reach up to the full, and then it will do also the oil. Let me see the oil, maybe the next step is the oil, it will absorb the oil. So now I can see that this, you know, withdrawing the oil is done, okay, from the machine, from the, sorry, the car. So now it is doing a flushing between the machine and the car. If you see, it will go all the way, putting it here. So you see here, it's a flushing cycle. Remaining is 8 minutes doing the flushing. After flushing is finished, now it's doing recovery, okay? So taking the gas back from the car until this machine, you can see now 4.8, it will be increasing, 4.10, it will be increasing, withdrawing all the gas from the car up to here, okay? Let's see. Give us oil draining, and then oil has been drained up to here, if you see, okay? And then now it is doing the vacuum, so it will absorb everything from the AC, all the humidity, everything. The pressure is decreasing now. It must keep decreasing until -30, okay, PSI. So remaining 5 minutes. During this 5 minutes, the pressure will keep decreasing slightly until reaching -30 PSI. Now recharging again the oil. First of all, the oil is going inside, and then the AC gas, the refrigerant freon gas is going to be filled. 0.65 gram has to be filled. If you see here, it will go down and down, taking the right gas. Here it says it is complete. Please print service information. If you want, you can, yes, print it, and then the report would come, okay? Refrigerant, flushing time, vacuum time 5 minutes, recharge amount 650. So now at the steady, if you see, it was 60-75 before filling it. Now the pressure has increased up to 120, okay, 115 or 17, and here if you see, it's almost equal. I'm going to on the car and check the AC cooling, how the performance is. Yeah. Okay, meanwhile I'll show you. This is the oil. There is an counter here, checking how much oil has been used and withdrawing the right oil from here. I asked him to make the car on, so I'm expecting the low pressure. It's going down and down now, so around 40 to 50, but it will stabilize. I'm going to give it some time to stabilize. This is again going very high. Again it will stabilize. So let me check the cooling. Yeah, I am checking this. It's really becoming very cool now. Better, much more better than before. Okay, please put the cooling at the highest. Please put the cooling as the highest. Yeah, see here we are putting it at very high. The fan is very high, and also this one, it's starting very cool now. Time by time it's becoming very cool. The pressure is being stabilized now. If you can see here, the pressure goes down